Hello friends, welcome once again to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about Bruton A gamma globulinemia. Bruton A gamma globulinemia is X-linked inherited immunodeficiency disease and caused by mutation in gene coding for Bruton tyrosine kinase, that is BTK. Before proceeding to understand this disease, we need to understand the basic function of BTK, that is Bruton tyrosine kinase. Normally there are pre-B cells in our body on which BTK, that is Bruton tyrosine kinase, act and convert it into mature form. When there are deficiency, when there are absence of this Bruton tyrosine kinase, this cause absence of mature B cells and this lead to pathogenesis of this disease. This disease was first elaborated by Bruton in 1952, for whom the gene is named. This is also known as X-linked A gamma globulinemia. Moving to inheritance of this disease, females are always carrier and males are always affected. In this scenario, when the male is unaffected and the female is carrier, the chances of having male baby is 50% and chances of having female baby is 50%. One of the male baby will be affected and one of the female baby will be carrier. So this is all about the inheritance of this disease, that is male is always affected and female is always carrier, and this is a X-linked recessive disorder. Moving to pathophysiology of this disease, normally there are pre-B cells and on which BTK act and convert it into mature cell. But in this disease there are BTK is absent and there is not proper amount of mature B cell or absent mature B cell. This progress to pathogenesis of this disease. This lead to decrease in antibody producing plasma cell and which in turn produce poorly developed lymphoid organ, and this poorly developed lymphoid organ example are spleen, tonsil, adenoid and Peyer's patches in intestine. This lymphoid organ may be either absent or the size will be either size is reduced or they are absent. So this is all about the pathophysiology of this disease. Some points need to be always kept in mind before reading this disease is actually is a inherited disorder. This occur 1 in 2.5 lakhs male. Female are always carrier and male are always affected. Infection begin once the transferred maternal immunoglobulins are catabolized in the baby's blood. The baby suffering from this disorder having small lymph node or absent tonsils or lymph node. Due to absent lymph node or tonsils or decreased lymphoid tissues, there are chances of having more bacterial infection, recurrent bacterial infection. This recurrent bacterial infection might be pneumonia, otitis media, cellulitis, meningitis, osteomyelitis, diarrhea or sepsis. Rarely, some children with this disorder are diagnosed in second decade of their life. Why they are diagnosed in second decade of life? They are diagnosed in second decade of life because they have not absence of BTK gene, but there is a mutation in BTK gene which in turn form a small amount of B cells. Not proper absence of B cell. Due to not proper absence of B cells, they are diagnosed in second decade. When there is a complete absence of BTK, there will be a complete absence of B cell. Then complete absence of B cell cause the diagnosis of baby in early month of their life, that is 6 to 12 months of their life. Moving to diagnosis of this disease, immunoglobulin are markedly reduced or absent, abnormally low or absent number of mature B lymphocyte, absence of BTK gene or protein. Rarely the diagnosis is made in second decade. We discussed why they are diagnosed in second decade. Moving to medical care, there are no permanent treatment for X-linked A gamma globulinemia or Bruton A gamma globulinemia. The treatment is mainly intravenous immunoglobulin, and typically dose are 400 to 600 milligram per kg and given every 3 to 4 weeks. There are chances of secondary bacterial infection. So overcoming cyanopulmonary infection, the antibiotics like amoxicillin with calvanate are given for combating cyanopulmonary infection. There are always nutritional supplementation and multivitamins are recommended for this disease. Moving to Ayurveda view of this disease, inappropriate ऋतु क्षेत्र अंबु बीज दोहित अवमानना गर्भोपघात कर भाव गर्भ वृद्धि कर इनकॉम्पिटिबल गर्भ वृद्धि कर भाव and not following properly गर्भनी परिचर्या. These are the निदान of this disease and this cause the बीज दुष्टि, that is abnormality in gene or mutation which the organs which develop from the defected बीज भाग अवयव, they having khavya, and in this khavya the dose is accumulated and sthan sansara of those take place, and finally there are development of this vyadhi, that is Bruton A gamma globinemia. This may be one of samprapti for developing this disease. Moving to the Ayurvedic management, the based upon clinical sign and symptom, the management is done. The line of treatment in Ayurveda might be Ojavardhan, Agni Deepan and Vatanuloman. Normally there are decreased immunity of child, so Ayurvedic immune enhancing drug like Swarna Prasan and many prasan yoga mentioned in Kashyap Samhita and other Bal Chikitsa Granth might be useful in this disease. So this is all about, this is a very short discussion on Bruton A gamma globulinemia and its Ayurvedic management. We will discuss about it in later in detail. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much.